saw a star fall out of the sky. It burned up in the atmosphere, then it crashed in my backyard. The crater was so small, I don't know why. Until an alien emerged from the rubble. He probably tried to say hi, but the words out of his mouth were just gibberish. He was cold, so I took him inside. Probably looked different than a spaceship. I was really tripping. If aliens could talk to us, would we listen? Or would we just be ignorant? If aliens could talk to us, would we even care? Would they be dissected by the CIA? Or would we accept them?